Hey guys, I've been getting a lot of questions about how I edit my videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I edit my videos using the InShot app on my phone, so stay tuned. So once I'm done filming, I open the InShot and tap video, then I select all the clips that I want to use or either select the video one by one. So in this case, I'll select the video one by one. I'll remove this part written InShot. I'll then choose this option written plus, that is to add another video, and I'll choose the video that I want from the recorded clips. So the two videos are displayed there. If I want to add music, I'll choose that option, and then either I can choose to add the video or to record. That's the option for recording. After you're done recording, you save your recording there. From there, you can replay your recording to hear whether it's perfect, or you can choose to repeat if it's not okay. And split and delete any part of your recording that you're not comfortable with. If you want to add music, you just tap there and add a music of your choice that's recorded. There I've added my music. You can reduce the volume of that music by using the volume button. You can also choose to split and delete any part of the music that you don't want, and record even in between the music. And when you record, you have to split any part of your music and then you delete that section where you've recorded, just like that. So in this case, the music plays where it's needed and also the recording plays where it's needed. You can also choose to add any text of your choice. You just choose that option for text and then you type anything that you want and you save it. After saving, you can drag your text to the place that you want it to appear. You can also choose to delete the parts of the video that you want to get rid of them. So you just go to that part, you split from the beginning until the end. You also split and then you delete that part. You can also choose to remove the background noise from the original video, just like that, by getting rid of the volume. If your video is so long, you can increase the speed of the video, just like that. You choose the speed that you want. You can also choose to crop any part of your video that you want. You just split from the beginning and you split the end of the video and you crop that part that you want to crop. For instance, in this case, you crop, you drag it to the size that you want, and then you save it. You can choose the outro video just from the InShot app. You just add there, and then you choose any outro video of your choice. This is an example of the outro video that I've chosen. You can also add the intro from InShot, or you can choose the intro of your choice from your videos. This is one of the intro videos I've chosen from InShot. After you are done, you just go to Canvas and ensure that your video is at the ratio 16:9. That's for YouTube. You can add any filters to your video or adjust it to the saturation that you want. You can also choose to add any transition in between the videos, and you choose from those options that are there. This is one of the transition clips in InShot. You can also add the atmosphere in between the videos. You just go there and choose any that you're comfortable with. So we've added that atmosphere, and you can see how perfect it is. In case there are some parts of the music that you want to get rid of, you just split that section and you delete. Then you go to the option for music and you add the music that you want to add, just like that. If you want to add a different music in between the music that you've added, you can split, you delete, and then you drag the remaining part of the music that you wanted to add. After your video is perfect, we can now export our video. You choose that part for exporting. After exporting our video, we'll be able to find it in our files, and then you can upload it to YouTube. So this is my simple editing process. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.